Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make cookies filled with love. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you're going to need 1 stick of butter, and you want that softened to room temperature. So you know that's half a cup. Then you need 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 1 egg, 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then whatever colors you want to make your cookies. I'm using these like pastel colors. I have pink, purple, teal, and orange, and then some cookie cutters. So I have a big heart cookie cutter and a big circle, and then I've got my little heart that I'm going to put in the middle of these to switch the colors around. So that's all that you need to make these cookies. So I lined up a baking sheet with parchment paper, and let's go ahead and preheat the oven to 400 because with this rollout cookie dough recipe, you do not have to chill the dough. Alright, in a large bowl, we are just going to beat our butter with an electric mixer until it is light. Next, I am just going to go ahead and add in the egg and the vanilla extract and beat that to combine. Alright, this is what your mixture should look like. Pretty gross looking and lumpy. So next we are going to just add all of our other ingredients together. The sugar, the baking powder, the flour, and the salt. Alright, that looks pretty mixed to me. So next, a little at a time, I'm going to add that into my wet ingredients. Alright, my dough is pretty well combined here, and you can see like you can pinch it together. So I did it with an electric mixer, and then I just used the spatula the rest of the way. So next I am going to go ahead and color my dough. So I'm going to separate this into 4 bowls that I have here and add my food coloring and just work it around with a spatula till it's combined. This part is time consuming. Alright, my dough is all ready to go here. You can see my beautiful colors, and honestly, I just used my hands. I mean, they're going to be a little bit stained, but I just washed them in between each color, and it just works the dough the best because the dough is kind of grainy until you really bring it together with your hands. So next we are going to roll this out. I'm going to start with my first color that I did, orange. Alright, my first batch of cookies is ready to go into the oven for 6 to 7 minutes at 400 degrees. That part was quite time consuming. You want to make sure that you do not roll your cookies too thin, or when you try to pick them up to put them onto your baking sheet, they just crumble, or they just fall apart. And then when I put my heart in, I kind of like tap it around to make sure it fits, and then rework your dough however you want. But look how adorable these are. So let's get them into the oven. Alright, all of my cookies are out of the oven and cooled, and you can see I got creative with my second batch just so I could use all my dough and mix some of the colors together, but I think those ones turned out really cute. Look at that heart one right there. So cute. So these were a little time consuming, but I am so happy with the overall product. I think they are adorable, and they'll be perfect for Valentine's Day, or you could change them up for any holiday. So we are going to see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, no, for Mom, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Happy Valentine's Day.